If every dollar I owned disappeared tomorrow, I'd still rebuild $1 million portfolio, and it wouldn't take dozens of investments. Most people would panic, frantically buy whatever's trending, and hope for the best. I wouldn't. I'd start methodically with just three ETFs, and here's why that works. Wealth isn't about chasing the next hot stock. It's about structure, consistency, and letting compounding quietly do its job. Picture this. You wake up broke, your net worth is zero, your financial life is erased. Most people freeze, the smartest don't. They focus on what actually grows wealth reliably. ETFs are the key. One click, and you own pieces of hundreds of companies at once, instant diversification without the headache. They cost pennies compared to mutual funds, trade like stocks, and remove the emotion from investing. That discipline alone separates winners from panickers. If I were starting today, my foundation would be the S&P 500 ETF. It gives exposure to America's biggest companies, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon steady, compounding growth decade after decade. Then I'd add a high dividend ETF to generate cash while I sleep. Reliable payouts, blue chip stability, a hedge against volatility. Finally, a tech-heavy growth ETF to capture the innovators reshaping industries, AI, electric vehicles, cloud computing, high risk, high reward, but perfectly balanced with the other two. The magic isn't in timing the market, it's in consistent investing. Dollar cost averaging ensures every dip becomes an opportunity. Over decades, even small contributions grow into serious wealth. Balance, discipline, and patience turn these three ETFs into a complete system. Steady growth, passive income, and exponential upside. Simplicity wins. Complexity drains your energy and your returns. Start small, stick to the plan, and trust time to work its compounding magic. In wealth building, the smartest move isn't chasing the next shiny stock. It's mastering the fundamentals and letting them do the heavy lifting for decades. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more practical wealth strategies, and drop a comment sharing which ETF you'd start with today. Your future self will thank you.